Greetings, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop resource for all things travel. Today, we're diving into the world of smart travel, where savvy navigation meets luxury and convenience. Imagine not just reaching your destination, but doing so with style and comfort. Picture accruing and using airline miles, accessing those exclusive airport lounges and snatching those coveted upgrades. It's not just about the journey or the destination, but how you travel. Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets of smart travel. Airline miles, the golden ticket to cheaper and more enjoyable travel. They're like little nuggets of gold that, when accumulated, can open up a world of travel opportunities. At their core, airline miles are essentially loyalty points you earn every time you fly. But did you know you can also accumulate them without even setting foot on a plane? Yes, indeed. By signing up for airline-branded credit cards or shopping through the airline's online portal, you're racking up miles with every purchase. Not to mention dining programs that reward you with miles for enjoying a meal at your favorite restaurant. Choosing the right airline loyalty program, however, is crucial. Some programs offer more bang for your buck, with more generous mile earnings, while others might have better redemption options or more partner airlines. It's all about finding the perfect fit for your travel needs and lifestyle. Accumulating airline miles is the first step to flying smart. But how do you redeem them effectively? Let's delve into that next. Redeeming airline miles can feel like unlocking a treasure chest of travel opportunities. But how do you get the most bang for your mile? Well, timing is everything. Avoid redeeming your miles during peak travel seasons, when airlines often increase the number of miles required for a ticket. Instead, aim for off-peak times when demand is lower. Next, consider your destination. Some airlines offer a better mile-to-value ratio for certain routes, so doing a little research can go a long way. Now, the common mistakes to avoid. Don't let your miles expire. Most airlines have a 3-year expiry policy, so keep track of your miles and plan your trips accordingly. And remember, not all miles are created equal. Some miles may be worth more than others depending on the airline and the destination. Now, you're ready to get the most out of your airline miles. Next, we'll talk about how you can upgrade your travel experience. Flying doesn't have to be a mundane experience. In fact, it can be quite luxurious if you know the right tricks. Let's dive into the world of upgrades and exclusive airport lounges. Imagine sliding into a plush seat in a premium cabin, sipping on a glass of champagne before takeoff. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, this dream can become a reality through airline upgrades. These upgrades often depend on your loyalty status with an airline. The more you fly, the higher your status, the better your chances of an upgrade. Additionally, you can use your accumulated miles to bid for upgrades. The key here is to be flexible with your travel dates and times. Now, let's talk about airport lounges. These are serene havens away from the hustle and bustle of the airport. Here you can enjoy complimentary food and drinks, Wi-Fi, showers, and sometimes even spa services. But how do you gain access? Some credit cards offer lounge access as a perk, so check your card benefits. Also, many airlines grant lounge access to their frequent flyers based on their loyalty status. Remember, these lounges aren't just for first-class flyers. With the right strategies, you too can relax in these exclusive spaces, whether you're a seasoned jet-setter or an occasional traveler. With these tips and tricks, you're all set to transform your travel experiences. We've covered a lot of ground today, from accumulating miles to enjoying exclusive lounges. We've unraveled the mystery of airline miles, showing you how to accumulate them effectively and use them to your advantage. We've also given you a sneak peek into the world of upgrades and airport lounges, all perks that can elevate your travel experience. Let's take a moment to reflect on the story of Jane. A budget traveler from Manchester, she's mastered the art of flying smart. With careful planning, she's been able to experience business-class luxury and the serenity of airport lounges, all while saving money. Jane's story serves as an inspiration to us all, proving that with the right strategies, anyone can enhance their travel experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels!